Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
It's good to hear. Tell me, what is your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba, it's so nice to meet you. My name is Mo.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Alrighty. Alright, Sahiba. So, it's so nice to see you for our free talk lesson today. Wow, alrighty. So tell me, do you have any questions for me?
Yeah. Mm, Actually, I joined the Cambly 2 weeks ago. I
Okay.
I don't know English so much.
Wow, okay. Well, from what I'm hearing is that you are not too bad at English. It
Mm-hmm.
actually sounds very good. Wow. So a fun fact about me, Sahiba, um, this is actually my second day at Cambly.
Oh,
Yes,
you are also new.
I'm so new on this website, but I have taught English for more than a year
Mm-hmm.
before, so it's not my first time.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
So,
Mhm.
so where are you from?
I'm from South Africa. Right, I'm from Cape Town, South Africa.
Oh, South Africa.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Do,
I
do you
heard
know?
this. Mm-hmm.
You know it?
Yeah.
Alrighty. And where are you from, if I may ask?
I am from India.
From India. Okay.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. And tell me, why are you learning English? That is always an interesting question.
Yeah. Actually, uh, I love English, and English is important language
Of
for
course.
every
It's
person. English is an international language. So, uh, so I am very excited for spoken English.
aha. Alrighty. Okay. Okay. So you can
Yeah.
say it's an important language. Let me just ask you this. You would like me to correct you after every mistake, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Alrighty. So you can say English is an important language. Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty. An important.
Okay. English is an important language.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course. Yes. And it's also, like you said, an international language. And personally, I also believe that everyone
Mm-hmm.
has to be able to speak it, right?
Yeah.
I think it will help us to come together as an entire world, right? So that we can
Yeah.
understand each other and so that we can communicate effectively. Right.
Yes.
Alrighty, Sahiba. So I know I actually worked for a company
Mm-hmm.
in India too. A year or so ago, I did scientific editing for them
Oh.
before I was a teacher. So I have some experience um, in sort of talking to people from India, and
Mm-hmm.
I know all of my supervisors really nice. Tell me,
Oh.
what are people usually like in your country?
Uh, I don't know.
Well, it's okay. It's okay.
I don't
So
understand.
it's okay, Saiba. So tell me, um, hmm, let's see. How is the weather in your city today?
Yeah, today is sunny.
Oh, really? And
Yes.
it's winter now, right? Winter.
Yes.
Okay, and you're about to have summer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So it's sort of spring.
Yeah.
Okay. Over here in the south, it's actually really cold today. I'm
Oh.
I'm I'm over here with my blanket.
Oh my
So
God.
so I'm sitting here like
Yeah. Cold.
and and then of course and then in between my classes I turn my heater on, but it makes too much noise during the class. So I'm like,
Yes.
all right, Saiba.
There is a snow.
Okay. So it doesn't snow in my city. It just snows on the mountain tops, high up on the mountain tops, but not in my city. There are cities that get snow. I wish we got snow. I think I would have liked it. All right. Okay. Saiba, tell me, do you have any specific questions for me?
So what's your hobbies? Tell me.
Hobbies. Okay. So in my free time, I love to go for walks on the beach. I live close to the beach. That's great. I love to go to the gym. I love to cycle.
Cycle?
Yeah, cycling, like mountain biking.
Yes.
And if I'm feeling lazy, I love to watch series.
Oh, what kind of series?
Well, actually now anything that's sort of thrilling or like horrors.
Oh.
I love that. And what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading.
Okay.
Painting, cooking.
Wow, I love cooking too.
Oh.
Yes. I became so good at cooking during the quarantine, the lockdown period, because we couldn't go out. So I had to sort of make my own concoctions and try new things. And I think I did pretty well.
So right now you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family right now. And
Your parents?
Yes, my parents.
Okay.
And it depends on, of course, I'm teaching at Cambly in my free time. And then if I do get a permanent position somewhere, I will probably move there. But for now, this is what I do, and this is where I live. All right.
How old are you?
Oh, I'm 28. I'm 28 years.
28.
Yes, so I
thought you are 23.
Oh, wow. All right.
Yeah.
Well, that's a good thing. So
Yes.
I did a master's degree in chemistry. As
chemistry.
Well. Yes.
Wow.
So
you're so intelligent.
Oh, wow. Thanks.
But I don't like chemistry.
Oh, really?
Tough subject.
Sometimes it can be difficult, but it's also a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun to learn about these things and to investigate and to ask questions, right? Which subjects do you like? Is your favorite field?
English and Urdu.
Okay. And what's that? What's that? Can you explain? Urdu.
No. No, I don't explain.
Oh, okay. It's okay.
My English is weak.
Well, that's why you are here, right?
Yeah.
Well, let me tell you something. I think your English is better than most.
Oh, thank you.
I've taught a lot of smaller children, a lot of younger children from China and from Taiwan, and their English is not very good. not as good as yours.
So you are Muslim?
Oh, no, actually, no, I'm not.
Oh, I thought you were Muslim. Okay.
Oh, no. Are you? If I may ask?
I'm Muslim.
Okay. So you also had a few festivals over the past weeks, right?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
That's great. All right. Well, Sahiba, I see we will get cut off in 15 seconds.
Yes.
Before that, I just want to say it was so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I really hope to see you again soon.
Okay. Bye bye.
Alrighty, Saiba. Bye bye. See you
Bye bye.
soon.